The main thing a smile says about a person is that person confident? Does that person have the confidence that they need? And when you project confidence, you know, there's nothing that can stop you. So it's very important. I really struggled with the overall appearance of my teeth. I felt that they were a little bit too small for my face. I was really looking for a Hollywood type smile where my teeth were really accentuated as opposed to kind of setting back in the background. It just really affected my self-confidence, and I just didn't have that confidence when I smiled. So it was really important that I addressed it. I went into the office that day and I was so anxious and so nervous, and he was very open about, you know, what this entails. I didn't feel like he was pushy at all in any way. He really took the time to find out what I wanted, the look that I wanted, what I didn't like about my smile, and the things that I really was looking to improve upon. He had actually recommended some orthodontia as well. It's honestly, it seems silly. I mean, it was one of those things. It seems like it may not be a huge deal, but it really affected me. I feel so much more confident. I smile more comfortably. I enjoy taking photos. I enjoy the family photos with my kids, and you know, it's just a very, very good feeling. I don't have that feeling of not wanting to smile, not projecting myself as I should. It's been a really, really great thing for me. So I'm very glad I did it. It's your mouth, it's your teeth, it's the first thing people see. Honestly, having a confident smile and feeling good about the way you look when you walk in somewhere or when you're talking to someone, it's the most important thing, I think, and I think it's valuable. And I might have thought it was a little selfish, but it was definitely the best thing I ever did for myself, so yeah.